Okay, here I am with Athena, somewhere in New York City, and we got a couple of dog coats. We got some balloons for her paws.
She found them.
And she's really excited about it. And I just met a whole bunch more homeless people with dogs, so I really need donations because I can't really do too much by myself. So if you guys want to donate to the homeless of New York and their dogs so they're staying warm, the whole goal here is just to help them get through the night. So that's what I'm out here doing. Athena.
Yo, check that
There's
out.
Athena. All right, bye, Facebook.